dive down deep into the blue, where the fish swim by and the ocean's so true. The sea is so calm, the water is clear. Come on, let's explore the adventures here. Under the water, we'll swim and play. With dolphins and turtles, we'll glide away through coral reefs and sand so fine. It's an underwater adventure, come and dive in line. Look at the turtles, they're swimming around. With colorful fish, we'll never slow down. The seaweed is waving, the bubbles rise high. We'll ride with the waves as they kiss the sky. Under the water, we'll swim and play. With dolphins and turtles, we'll glide away through coral reefs and sand so fine. It's an underwater adventure, come and dive in line. We'll find hidden treasures deep in the sand, with sparkling jewels from a faraway land. The sea is alive, so magical and bright. We're exploring together, what a beautiful sight. Under the water, we'll swim and play. With dolphins and turtles, we'll glide away through coral reefs and sand so fine. It's an underwater adventure, come and dive in line. We've swum through the sea, now it's time to say we'll come back tomorrow to explore and play. Under the water, we're always free.